Time for a cruise. So we're about to just go on a little drive and talk about this Camaro and the future plans for it. Still got low miles. I think I got it with like 57. Almost at 59,000 miles. My page, I'll insert a clip after this video of when I first got it to show you how I got it. Excited. LS3, a little bit of body work will be right. Replace the front clip. Honestly, get a new door. Back windows a bit busted. Chunks of holes. What it is now and why it looks this way, but dropping soon. We should be out of paint shop coming with some wet paint. People been commenting like crazy stuff. I seen somebody said go to Mako. Man, that's out. I got a nice paint shop right on the east side on like Alameda, like Martin Luther King. Antonio, he get you right. I'll show a picture of my vet that he done for me some time ago. LS3 for the win. One of these cars. To anybody who own a 5th gen with an LS3. You came from a 4th gen with LS1s and swapping 5.3s and all that type of shit. Believe me, you appreciate the LS3 with 6 gears. It's a big difference. Big difference. See, and this is one of the main things I love about this car is how they got the gauges down here. When all my Camaros and like my vet, I used to have the gauge pod that goes on the side right here. They eliminated all that with this one. It's perfect. Try to see if I can get some better lighting. Maybe a different color or something. And then also I was thinking about changing this shifter. I seen they had like a Hearst one, but I don't know, I wasn't feeling that one. See if they got any type of other options out there. But yeah, besides that, I want to try to swap this radio out. I like how the newer ones come with the TV with the navigation, but it's something else that you have to get with it to make it work properly and make everything work accordingly. So I'm gonna try to check all that out. But everything's coming along. Nice view. Doc Waller. Try to go to a new spot, see if it's open. It's kind of pack out here. So we made it. Yeah, Doc Waller. Back with this thing. So, to sell or to keep. Stop. Check out the interior. Got the fresh leather. SS on the front and back. No rips, no tears. Everything This car only has 58,000 miles right now. I got it with 57. When I got it from the auction, I felt like the car had a lot of potential, but from the pictures when I did everything online, when I clicked it on like buy now, it was a chance because it was like big ass holes. I'll show a picture from before. I didn't know if it was bullet holes, if it was beat up, but it turns out it was like beat up and just the windows busted, just vandalized. So I got all that. That's exactly why this car looks primered. This car had like a lot of body work done to it, a lot of stuff. But I mean, it looks presentable. Just got to get a nice color paint on it. I'll show under the hood now. Got an LS3. Got some headers. So we got LS3 headers. We got X pipe. We got X pipe with no muffler in the back, so it's literally just like straight pipe all the way down. I added this cold air intake. It's been running smooth, but I mean, I'm looking for something like a little more quieter. It's fun having this loud, but it's super, super loud. Another thing people complain about is these trunks. I mean, I be taking space in mine. I be filling this shit up and everything. This thing is start up. Super loud. Quick little view right here. That's why I love LA, man. 10 minutes from the beach. Near all the main freeways. Nice views. Fast ass cars. So with all that being said, this car is about to get painted ASAP. Get this thing looking good, faster. You know, we don't pay no car notes, so we chilling. Pink Slip Gang, baby. Gotta just get this thing right. So within the next couple days, I'm gonna be dropping a new build I've been working on. Stay tuned for that. I got videos of everything I've been working on, top to bottom. I do everything myself. So stay tuned for that for sure. If you like my videos, just tune in, subscribe, like, comment, all that. I return the love to your page, you know. Gotta support one another. Look at that view. Gotta love LA. Time to deal with this LA traffic now on the way back. Like, as bad as I wanted to sell this car a point in time, it was just pointless to me to sell something to want it back because I've done it before with these other Camaros. And it's like, you're not going to get that much money for a car out here primered. I don't care how fast, how many miles it got. People are not going to spend their hard work and money on some bullshit, like, especially something that's not presentable off the jump. So, you know, I think about it like, even so, I might as well just paint it, get my money's worth. If I want to sell it, not just keep it. Yeah, I'm so tired of selling cars that I've had, that I worked on and didn't finish how I wanted to, like how I done got the body work done and bought this car, drove to Arizona and picked this up in a fucking U-Haul truck. Like, I can't sell it. I need to paint it, enjoy it, and get my money's worth. Last 4th gen I had, I built the whole car and didn't paint it, just sold it. But that's how I got here, so I wasn't tripping. You gotta elevate yourself sometimes, you know? Can't sit still and be in the same position forever. Sometimes you gotta want a little more, and there's nothing wrong with that, you know? You gotta have some goals, stretch yourself to want something in life, work for something, you feel me? I'm not saying this material shit is something, but hey, this shit is fun as hell, you know? Then daily driving the Camaro SS like this with full exhaust, super loud. I haven't gotten any tickets like state refs, but it doesn't really get that loud till you really get on it. But like daily driving is super cool if you're someone like me who's always on the run and you like driving a slow car. Gotta have something nice with some speed and something that just run good, you know? So this is honestly a cool car. It's just the gas. You gotta pay to play. I'll say that for sure. This is not some gas saver. And then like I was saying, I do all my own work myself, as in like tune-ups. I'll do my oil change, my spark plugs and spark plug wires and all that myself. So this car is something cool to have that I can easily have fun with all day, every day. Blow the motor up, I'll rebuild it like I did with my new build coming up, you'll see. So I mean, it's like, it's cool as hell. It's all around, you know? Nothing really bad I can say. And then like all the features they got on here on the dash, you get to change everything. Man, you couldn't do none of this in no 4th gen, dude. None of this. And then like, my main thing is these pedal shifters. Like boom, 3rd gear. This is like my favorite thing about this car. And you got it on the heads-up display. And then like another thing, I have a huge turnoff, I'll say, for hard tops, and that's exactly what I have. It's nothing good about it. I don't care about being light. That shit is boring. It's not worth it. I am a sunroof. My first one is on my new build, but I'm used to having T-tops or a target top like on the Vet and the Camaro. So for sure with this car, I will be taking this to get the top cut, to get that sunroof put on, because this is boring. I'm in this little ass car. These windows is small. Like, you're not going to get that much air flowing through here. I'm not saying like air AC wise, but like, I mean, it's small in here. This is a small car. A wrap for this video. Check out my new build I'm about to drop soon. Please check that out. Subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. I'll return it.